Importing data into Pipedrive is straightforward and allows you to consolidate contacts, deals, leads, and other information for better management. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare your data. Organize your data in a spreadsheet with clear columns like name, email, phone number, company, and any custom fields used in Pipedrive. Ensure that each data type is organized in a separate file if needed. Log into Pipedrive. Access your account and navigate to the main dashboard. Select the Import tool. Go to Settings, Data Import, or start from the relevant tab. Click on Import Data and choose from a spreadsheet. Upload your file. Select the file you want to upload and confirm the type of data you're importing. Map columns to fields. Pipedrive will prompt you to map columns in your file to Pipedrive fields. For example, map contact name to the name field, ensuring each column aligns correctly with its matching field. Review and import. Check the data summary, make any necessary adjustments, then confirm to complete the import.